Mitre 10 has been the home of independent timber and hardware stores since 1959. Their strength has always been their relationship with their communities, built by generations of Australians who own and run their stores. Builders trust their local Mitre 10 for their ability to supply materials at every stage of the build, providing a true whole-of-house solution, from foundation all the way to fit-out. They work with some of the biggest trade brands in the building industry, and they're Australia's largest independent timber merchant. That means they have access to the biggest range of quality timber at competitive pricing. It doesn't matter if you're managing the project yourself or want it organised for you. Mitre 10 have the solution for product and installation. They stock trade quality products and deliver on-site, fast and in full. And if they don't have it in stock, they'll get it in for you. Each Mitre 10 supports local businesses and commits to providing consistently excellent service with knowledgeable and experienced staff, early opening hours, undercover trade drive-thrus, and dedicated trade desks to help you get in, get out, and get on with it. They also invest in the latest in time-saving trade tech because they know for you, time is money. Things like being able to track the status of your delivery, or 24/7 online account and statement management, helping you get back on the job even quicker. Whatever the challenges of the site, your local Mitre 10 will work the schedule and ensure you have everything you need from start to finish. Their purpose is simply to make your project easier for you. So when you need a whole-of-house solution, think Mitre 10 and talk to your local trade team today.